So, how does physical therapy contribute just to injury prevention, right? And help an athlete long term so they can have a longer career? I think this is a great question because so many people, including athletes, come in only when they're injured. But just like if you were to take your car in, you're not only taking your car in when there's a problem, you're taking it in for regular maintenance checks. Well, we do the same with our bodies, right? And athletes, they have to perform at a very high level. So coming in on a regular basis so we can look at how people are moving, we can catch things early on. For example, if you're, a pitcher and you're not able to rotate, we can start to pick those things up before things start to break down and you start breaking down your shoulder or you start overusing your wrist. So being able to identify not only how you're moving, but then just asking some simple questions and giving you some simple tools like a training diary that we can help you problem solve through to know is the training that you're doing effective? Are you training too much? Do we need to include more recovery? So coming in, getting those checkpoints is going to absolutely help prevent injuries and really give you a much longer career path.